girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a packaging video. So if you want to package orders with me, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited because I am packaging some orders that I got from yesterday. If you guys do not know, I have launched my own lash company called Flirty Gurl Lashes, where I sell luxury mink lashes. We have natural, 3D, we have foam mink, and we have 25mm lashes, as well as lash adhesive, lash applicators, and makeup bags. So if those are things you're interested in, follow us on Instagram at Flirty Gurl Lashes, and you can follow my personal page at Chantelly Lace 32. And if you want to shop with me, go on and check us out at flirtygurllashes.com and pick you up some fire mink lashes. The lashes that I have on now are my 25mm lashes in Bougie. So if you're liking these, you can pick them up. So yes, we're going to go on and get started with this video. I got some orders, so what I'm going to do first is go on and print out the labels and package slips, and then go on and package these orders, okay? So right now, I'm just going to go to my Shopify store and go on and print out my labels and my packaging slips. So going on? There you go. So I just going to click on the order. I'm not sure if you can see everything, but just clicking on the order, and I already got the lashes and the lash adhesive that she ordered, and I'm going to create shipping label. So, yeah, our shipping label. And a buy shipping label. So now that we have the shipping label, I'm going to print my packaging slip first. And it does not need to be in color. Print shipping label. Get my label. Alright, so have our shipping label and our packaging slip. We are done with this order, and this order is going to be marked as filled. So now we're going to go back to our other order, and we're going to create shipping label. We're going to buy shipping label. Oh, my dumbass. Okay. going to print our packaging slip first. There we go. And then we're going to print our shipping label. It should be printing. Alright, so that shipping label's done. So now I'm going to just feed this back in here because it's a two-sided label. And we're done with this order. And then we're going to go back to our orders. And the next one, we're going to create a shipping label. I'm going to change the envelope size because this one is smaller. And then we're going to buy shipping label. We're going to print shipping label first since I have the shipping label paper in there already. So we'll print that first and then we'll print the package slip. So that way there's no issues. And then we'll print packaging slip. And we are done. And that order is done and fulfilled. So all of our orders are fulfilled now. So now we just need to package them. Okay, so we're going to package up the first order. So I'm going to get one of my organza bags. Right here, we're going to put a spoolie. This is what I like. And my micro brush cleaner, I have to open the bag up. Micro brush cleaner so we can keep them clean. And it's our lashes. And her lash glue will go in here. And I'm going to take another organza bag and put the other lashes in. Okay. So this is the first order. And then the second order, she's got a lash, so we're going to put a micro brush cleaner. Spoolie, sorry. And then a micro brush cleaner. And then we'll put her lashes. Make sure it stays very nice and neat. There we go. I'm just going to close that up. Oh. Grab a couple business cards and put them in there. I could put them in the back so they can see the lashes. And then we'll do the same with this one that only has one. Grab a couple business cards, usually like 2 or 3. And put it in there. There we go. So now we're going to take our packing slip, which is, you know, right, our packing slip so they know what they got. And we're just going to fold this up and put that inside. Alright, and then we're going to take one of our thank you cards. We'll not show you the front because it does have a code. But take one of our thank you cards and put it in the bag. So there was a typo and it's supposed to be a U. Typo, but I spent money on these, so here we go. Got our lashes in there. And now, just gotta close the bag up. See, my gloves are too big, y'all. I couldn't find the right size. There we go. So we got that closed. And what I'm going to do now is put a packaging label right on top of that seam so it will not come off. And our first package is done. Super pleased and happy about that. So the next package, we are going to take the packing slip. I'm going to fold this up because this one's a smaller package. Fold that up. And we'll put the packing slip inside. Okay. And then we're going to take a couple business cards, put those inside as well. We're going to take a thank you card. I have some new thank you cards coming so they can fit in my smaller bags. But hey, all I have to do is fold it up. It's not that big of a deal. And get that inside there. Then they ordered some lash tweezers. So I'm going to put that in here as well. And we can close this up. And take our packaging slip. Just take our little package slip, put that over the back, and these are a little big, so all I do. Okay, y'all, I am so sorry. My camera shut off, and I did not realize because, you know, I was packaging my orders. But yes, I got all my orders packaged, and they are ready to go and go to the mail. So I'm going to head on to the post office and drop off my 3 orders. I am very, very pleased and very happy and thankful for all the love and support that I've been receiving so far. And hopefully it continues. I hope you guys check me out. Go on and check us out at Flirty Gurl Lashes on Instagram and Facebook. And you can also check out the website at flirtygurllashes.com so you can pick you up some bomb fire mink lashes. I have all styles available for all types of gals. I got the dramatic 25mm lashes for the dramatic gals. I also have the 3D lashes for the girls that like them 3D and fluttery. And I also have natural lashes for girls that like them natural. If you're going to a wedding, your bridesmaids, you just going to work, or just want to look like, you know, you ain't got no lashes on, boo, but you still want your lashes popping, I got those for you too. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.